Faith Church has been reaching Kalispell, Montana since 1969, when a few families caught the vision to plant a church. That vision led to growth, and we had to meet the needs of a growing congregation. Now we face that challenge again. 3 years ago, Faith Church decided to move forward in the Feet of Faith building project. It was a big step for us as a congregation. We were using our current space well beyond its capacity, and we simply needed more. This led to the renovation of our current building. We moved the Sunday morning service into the gym and transformed our old sanctuary into a conference room, offices, and a coffee shop. The following year, our property was transformed to accommodate several more parking spaces and space for the future sanctuary. We now need more space again. This is the next step.
We're all aware of our need for more space in general, but why? What's the purpose? Is it just so that we don't have to sit as close to each other on a Sunday morning? Or is it so that we don't have to set up and tear down every week? Or is it something bigger than that?
We want to see more people invited to join the journey of discipleship here at Faith Church. We also believe in having a sacred space which communicates the holiness and awesomeness of God, a space that is set apart. This will enable us to connect in deeper fellowship and community, because we won't be distracted by the need to tear down after we've just heard life-changing teaching. We'll also have more room to gather for fellowship in our gym. It will be free of the church service materials, so it will also be easier to use for community activities and events.
We invite you to take the next step with us. We ask for your blessing, wish the project success, and speak well of it. Cheer on those who are working and giving to the project, even if you can't contribute in the same way. We ask for your prayers. Pray for the project. This is a work of faith, and the souls of real people will be affected for generations. There is real spiritual resistance to this project, especially for those working and making decisions. We ask for your resources, something of value you can contribute toward the project. It could be property, skills, or time. We ask for your pledges, a 3-year commitment to give to the project weekly, monthly, or quarterly. We're asking this beyond your typical giving to our church. We ask for your one-time gifts, a one-time donation of any resource. All of these are needed to complete this large project. It will take your blessings, prayers, resources, pledges, gifts, and faith.
Our goals for the campaign are our victory goal, $350,000. What does that mean? It means building the sanctuary with a long-term mortgage. Our challenge goal would be $600,000. Build the sanctuary with a mortgage to be paid off in 10 years or less. Our miracle goal is $800,000. Build the sanctuary and be debt-free by the end of the capital campaign in 2017.
The reason we're planning to build is simply this. We need to reach more people with the gospel. We've reached our capacity at this time and can't grow more in ministry or people until we have more space. And so we invite you to join us in the next step.